Cover up your rusty, unattractive bollards with the original bollardSOX. Whether you want to enhance your storefront for the holiday season or drive sales by utilizing valuable marketing space, bollardSOX have you covered. To ensure you order the correct size bollardSOX to fit your needs, simply measure the diameter of your bollard, and then the length. Once you have your measurements, head over to www.bollardSOX.com to order from a large selection of original designs, or create your own bollardSOX by uploading your unique art or company logo. Once your bollardSOX has arrived, installation is easy. Simply slide the bollardSOX over your bollard post, smooth out any wrinkles, and that's it. No special fasteners or tools needed. bollardSOX are a fast, easy, and durable way to dress up your bollard posts and poles. Shop for the original bollardSOX exclusively at www.bollardSOX.com.